Thanks for watching another video. This is a Makita cold metal cutting saw. I bring this out of the cupboard when I run out of oxygas. I don't know if they're popular anymore. They used to be quite popular. They spin at a different rate of knots than a normal timber cutting circular saw. When I get my shit together and clean this plate up, you'll see how good they are. They're very noisy. I actually bought this for cut and plate. I don't know if they're meant for cut and plate, but that's actually what I bought the tool for. I've cut up to 12mm steel with it, no worries at all. The only issues I've ever had is if you're cutting really long lengths of steel, sometimes the steel pinches the blade and you knock the tungsten teeth off. Other than that, haven't had a drama. I actually think they're meant for cutting roofing iron. They're very good for cutting roofing iron, nice square cuts like trim deck and stuff, really easy. Really nice finish. There's no heat to them. The only thing they do is drop all these little chips everywhere. It hasn't got the guard on it. I've taken the guard off because it drives me up the wall. The guard does catch a fair bit of these chips, but it still drops a few, and they are really easy to just pick up with a magnet. You can get magnet wands and stuff. So yeah, as you can see, this is a lot quicker than just using a grinder. They are a bit hexy still going between $600 and $700 ducks. I've got a Irwin blade in it at the minute. It's an aftermarket blade. Still same. It's a little bit cheaper. I think they're $100 a blade. The tooth profile is totally different to a timber saw blade. I've cut 65mm box with it, no worries at all. I've cut box iron lengthways as well, so I end up with 2 bits of channel. So as you can see, they're burr free, clean cut. Sometimes I'd actually prefer to use this over the oxy. Thanks for watching. Be good to your mum.